Sermon number 73. When Hassan and Hussein interceded on behalf of Marwan ibn al-Hakam. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Amir al-Mu'mineen said about Marwan ibn al-Hakam at Basra. When Marwan was taken on the day of Jamal, he asked Hassan and Hussein, peace be upon them, to intercede on his behalf before Amir al-Mu'mineen. So they spoke to Amir al-Mu'mineen about him and he released him. Then they said, Amir al-Mu'mineen, he desires to swear you allegiance. Whereupon Amir al-Mu'mineen said, did he not swear me allegiance after the killing of Osman? Now I do not need his allegiance, because his is the hand of a Jew. If he swears me allegiance with his hand, he would violate it after a short while. Well, he is to get power for so long as a dog licks his nose. He is the father of 4 rams, who will also rule. The people will face days through him and his son.